Hello viewers, today we have a patient who came all the way from Colombia for a hair transplant. Upon diagnosis, we found that he has male pattern hair loss, level 3 vertex, and he agreed to proceed with the full shaving method. Let's follow his journey through this hair transplant procedure. This is how full shaving method looks like. Now let's see what is our patient would like to say before he starts the procedure.
Hello, my name is Emerson Martinez. I'm from Colombia, 33 years old. I found Glojas because one of my colleagues, he did hair transplant here and he recommended me this place. Yes, in some point I started losing hair, and I think hair is part of my confidence as well. So yeah, this is why I decided to go for hair transplant and also to look for a faster solution. Yeah, my expectations is to have my hair back like when I was younger. That's the idea, and because I think my hair gives me confidence, and also to keep myself looking younger. Okay, so if you want to see my journey with this hair transplant, stay tuned.
Now this is how drawings look like. Here are the dots, and as we connect them, they form a line. That's how we can see the hairline being created.
Frontal, mid-scalp, crown.
Here is the donor area, located at the back of his head. Before beginning the procedure, we are examining this area to identify the follicle graft that will be extracted and implanted into the balding area.
Today is day 1 after my hair transplant surgery.
Irregularity.
Right frontal temporal angle. Forelock. Left frontal temporal angle. This is the complete look of this patient after hair transplant day 1.
So I had problems with my hair loss. Now I did the hair transplant, and after day 1, everything is going well so far. I could sleep well, so everything is fine. I'm happy with the treatment, with what they designed, so I feel alright so far.
Yeah, how are you today? Today is day 7.
So yeah, today day 7, everything it's been so good. I don't feel any pain, and the process has been so great. I am happy with the results so far. Okay, so this is my day 14 after my hair transplant, and I'm really happy with the results. So far, I don't feel any pain, and I see that everything is really fine.
This is the updates for day 14. As you can see, the hairline looks better. Irregularity, angle, and high density. Left frontal temporal angle. Forelock. Right frontal temporal angle. This is how the patients look before and after 14 days. As you can see, the hairline, the density is already increasing.
Thank you, Glojas, and I can't wait to see the full results of this.
If you wish to have the same look, same journey, same success, you can always reach us and get a free consultation.